Hello, my name is Arjan Roy. I'm a graduate engineer with a B.Sc in Textile Engineering Management from Bangladesh University of Textiles, BUTEX. Holding a CGPA of 3.54 out of 4.0 and currently pursuing my Masters in Material Science at Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, BUET. Alongside my academic career, I have developed strong corporate and financial skills that make me a strong candidate for the corporate sector. Academic and professional foundation. My undergraduate thesis on work-life balance among textile engineers deepened my understanding of organizational behavior and workforce productivity. In addition, I have completed industrial training with leading national and multinational companies, gaining exposure to finance, supply chain, and corporate management practices, entrepreneurial and corporate skills. Previously, I served as co-founder of Bangladesh's first campus-based clothing startup, where I handled financial planning, capital management, and risk analysis, reaching over 12,000 product sales and selling 4 million taka worth of products in just 2 years. This entrepreneurial journey taught me how to lead cross-functional teams, analyze financial data, and make strategic business decisions. These skills directly applicable in the corporate sectors, and I am willing to practice this further. Leadership and communication strengths. During my academic journey, I served as Vice President of BUTEX Business Lab and as a Director of Planning of Hull Prize at BUTEX, where I managed financial planning, corporate communications, and sponsor relations. In addition, I worked for several years as a volunteer and later as an advisor for Badhan, through which I coordinated blood donation campaigns and helped save more than 50 to 60 lives. Furthermore, I initially served as a Science and Technology Secretary of Public University Student Association Sunamganj and later as a moderator of that committee. In these roles, I led initiative enhancing education of rural areas of Sunamganj, including organizing free seminars, free masterclasses, and various social awareness programs. I actively contributed to building collective awareness against violence and similar pressing social issues. What type of corporate job I prefer? I am passionate about applying my analytical, financial, and communication skills in the corporate sector. My goal is to contribute to innovative financial services that support customer growth and strengthen institutional excellence. Thank you for considering my application. I am forward to the opportunity to contribute your organization.